DIY salt here. We're at Killington, Vermont, getting ready to slay it. Got my son with me and his friend. We're out of the garage today. It's probably a good thing I'm out of the garage. I won't break anything anymore. And we're gonna go hit the slopes. More video to come. Stay tuned. All right, very icy. There is not a bit of soft snow anywhere. Where's he going? Looks like they're remodeling that one. Imagine owning that. Yeah, it got a little better down here. Yeah. Nice little trail. I like this trail when the snow's good. Oh, there's some soft stuff. Soft snow. Now we can see. Look at down there. So this is the end of the ski day right here. Beautiful bluebird day. There's the mountain right behind me. Conditions were extremely icy today, so I pussed out and quit early. But we're supposed to get some snow tonight. Even though, are you kidding me? Do you really think it's going to snow today? I mean, it's like beautiful out here right now. So we'll try it again tomorrow. See what happens. All right, it's a DIY salt. We're here, day 2. Cloudy, raining. There goes Tom. He didn't even wait. Here, hold on. Let me get my gloves on. Go left when you're to the bottom. Go ahead, guys. Boy, this smells nice. I'm an old man. I gotta go nice and easy. It's a little bit icy, so we gotta be a little bit careful. But the conditions are much better than they were yesterday, that's for sure. Here at Killington, Vermont, Salt DIY. Yeah, why do I call myself Salt DIY? Because I do it myself or at home, usually working on. Well, so far since the snow's low, we're going to tackle the chipper, the wood chipper coming up. We're going to be doing that. But you know, I also like skiing. Oh, Caleb, now we got to get that video. The summer's now. What happened? What happened?
I just hit these and I fell. That hurt.
You alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Uh-oh. What, you sure you're alright?
Yeah.
Okay. we hitting?
Yeah, there's another 100%.
We're doing the same one, Rhyme, and then Eastfall?
Sure. Get back on the same lift.
That one? Yeah. Yeah, just at the peak. The weather's different up top than at the bottom.
That's why it's so, the weather's so
I know,
beautiful.
isn't it amazing?
I know.
All at the top.
All the way up there, and then we came all the way down.
Those are just really low clouds.